Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Yahoo Mail account. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type Yahoo Mail. And then it should be the first link. Then make sure you select create an account here. And now we have to fill out this form. So make sure you fill this form out and that you select an email account that is unique. Once you're done, click next. And now we're gonna have to provide a phone number and they're going to text us using a SMS message or WhatsApp, whichever you prefer. And then I'm going to ask for the code on WhatsApp. Then I'm going to enter the code that I just received and it's done. Now the email account has been created. Once I click done, I'm going to be brought to my dashboard. I'm gonna hit OK here. And I'm just going to skip this. And that's my inbox. So that's how you create a Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.